What goals do you have? Bro, this is how we see if someone is going to become successful in life or not. Because I see a lot of people, they think small, bro. They try to make goals to fulfill them in weeks, to fulfill them in months, to fulfill them in years, bro. And they don't even think big, bro. They make small goals. I try to see a lot of people, bro, they're just making a small goal. Like me, I tell a lot of people that I'm going to buy a Lamborghini. And people say, no, you can't buy a Lamborghini, bro. You can't buy a Bugatti, bro. But I try to tell a lot of people, like, bro, I'm going to achieve this goal. And the only reason that I truly make this goal, I know that if I work hard every single day, I stay consistent, and I put all my heart on it, all my mind on it, I'm going to achieve this goal. And this is the only thing that will help you to achieve this goal, bro. If you're working hard every single day, you're staying consistent. Don't let small-minded people, bro, make you like you're not going to achieve those big goals that you make. Bro, you need to be making impossible goals. Success people, they make impossible goals. They even know that they're not going to achieve those goals, but they try to make them so that they know that if they can work hard on it, bro, they work every single day on it, bro. They put all their mind on it and heart on it, and they stay consistent. They stay true to themselves. They're not betraying themselves, bro. They're staying loyal to themselves. They are going to achieve that goal. So, bro, you need to be making impossible goals, bro. You don't need to be making small goals. No, I can't buy that. I can't buy a private jet. Bro, you can buy it. The only thing that you need to be understanding is that if you truly make impossible goals, you achieve that dream only if you are working on yourself. You're staying truly on yourself. You're working every single day. Bro, you achieve that dream. So this is the only thing that you understand, bro. You need to be working every single day, making impossible goals, bro, staying consistent and working every hard and thinking big, bro. You're going to achieve that dream.